everyone! Today I'm going to talk to you about Orange Bubble. It is a pH neutral shampoo for motorbikes with an orange scent. It cleans and degreases the entire motorcycle. It emulsifies fats, penetrates oily dirt and dust deposits from the environment. It leaves the surfaces shiny after rinsing, thanks to its draining and self-drying power. We are now going to talk about its use. To start, remember to shake the bottle before using it. Then, you pour 25 to 50 milliliters of Orange Bubble with a doser. You dilute it with water in a 3-liter bucket. The dilution is done according to the dust present on your motorbike. Apply it on your wet motorbike with a washing sponge. Let it act for 4 to 5 minutes and then rinse it with clear water. I hope you liked our advice. Feel free to leave a comment, and if you want to know more, do not hesitate to subscribe to our channel just here.